Everybody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Chrome, back with another vid. Today, I'm at my local outlets with the wife. Thought I'd pop in Nike and Adidas, and hopefully we can find some steals. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. Let's slide in here. Hopefully we can find some steals and deals, and you never know what we'll run into. So, let's get it, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Let go.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it.
Alright guys, so let's calm down the aisles and let's see what we can find.
Boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna jet, shit tight, no split, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna jet, shit tight, no split, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Everything on this wall is 20% off. So let's see what we can find for the 20% off. If anything decent is a couple KD 10s in that multi-cup. Got the Nike pocket knife, 80 bucks. Got the LeBron 14 low. Got the Air Max 90 premium and like an off-white tan color. Those aren't too bad either. Here we got the Air Zoom Vapor Roger Federer. Anybody remember these? This was the fire red colorway. This was the mesh up with the Jordan. These like sold out quick online, but actually got a couple pair of these in different sizes here. Might be a little lit for the resale, man. Definitely gonna come back to these. And probably the best thing I've seen in this store by far, pair of Jordan 23s. This was the Chicago edition. These were pretty limited, but these are size 14, or these would be an instant cop. These are clean though. And 20% off of what, 160 bucks. That's not too bad. Here we got the Nike Flare giving me those Bread One vibes. Here we got a pair of Kyrie 3s. These actually are my size 12. I think these was the grapes. Got a pair of Dunk Highs here, 45 bucks. That ain't bad at all. That's actually a fairly good price. The other quality's pretty premium on this. Not bad at all. For all my Dunk High guys. So today is one of those perfect days to be in the outlet. Like, it's through the week, it's on a Friday, it's quiet, it's not packed, I can talk, the music ain't loud. It's just the perfect time to be in the outlet and vlogging. So let me step my game up and try to give you guys some of my best footage. Let's go.
Neighbors think I'm selling dope, Okay, the neighbors think I'm selling dope, yeah.
Uh-oh, whole lot of gang shit. It's on clearance for 100 bucks. And these usually like 120, so that ain't really clearance, but it's bird games. Alright guys, so I just headed out of Nike. A little bit of heat in the store, nothing too major, but they actually have some decent stuff in here. Probably one of the best things I've seen since I've been coming to this outlet. But let's head to Adidas. Let's go check out, see what they got inside the Adidas store, and we'll be right back, guys. Let's get it.
Yeah.
So this store got a couple little things, quiet little couple jewels in here, man. Shout out to the store employee who pulled up on me too and showed me love, asked me about my channel. He seen the camera and he showed me a lot of love, so salute to you, the homie. But let's keep it moving, man. Let's get up out of this Adidas store. Not really much worth copping, but just wanted to give you guys some vlog footage, so let's keep it moving. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the end of the vlog. I went inside of Nike, I went inside of Adidas. Nothing too crazy, but I thought I'd at least take you guys along with me, try to give you guys more vlog footage. Just been wanting to just continue to upload and be consistent on the channel. Shout out to everyone who just been showing love, staying with me and rocking with me as I continue to progress in this journey with this sneaker YouTube thing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell. That way you'll get notifications every time I drop a new video. But I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the whole Illumination. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
You got no line at your booth. You got no line at your booth. You got no line at your booth.
Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch.